Meet Google's new secret weapon for on-device AI, the Google AI Edge Gallery. This experimental app puts the latest generative AI models right in your pocket, running entirely offline, no internet required. It's Google's solution for when you're out and about and can't get internet, you can still access an LLM to ask any chat questions you need. Since it's not on the Google Play Store yet, here's how you can get it. You open up Chrome on your Android device and head to the official GitHub page that's linked in the bio. Scroll down to find your APK download link and tap Download the app. Grab the latest APK. If you get a warning, just confirm it and download it anyway. The warning is just saying that this app is not on the Google Play Store, as it has not rolled out to that yet. But it's okay, it's still from Google. Before installing, you'll need to allow Chrome to install an unknown apps on your Android device. To do that, you go to Settings, Apps, and then Special App Access, and enable Install Unknown Apps for Chrome. Once the APK is downloaded, tap Open. When it's done, tap Open again and launch the Google AI Edge Gallery. You'll now see the app icon in your app drawer for quick access. The home screen gives you shortcuts to core features such as Ask Image, AI Chat, and Prompt Lab. But before you dive in, you'll need to download an AI model. So let's get into that right now. Tap on any feature and you'll be prompted to choose a model from Hugging Face. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Log in, accept the terms, and select a model to download, like Google's Gemma 3N, for instance. Now, each of these models have different size requirements, so make sure to download one that your Android phone is capable of holding. Some models are several gigabytes, so please be patient while they download. So let's try AI Chat. Select your download model, tap Try, and type or speak your prompt. For example, when and where was pizza invented? And the AI will generate a detailed response, all processed locally with no data leaving your device. Nobody else listening in. Next, test the Ask Image feature. Upload a photo or take a new one, and then ask a question like, what's in this image? Or solve this math problem. And AI will analyze your image and will respond instantly. You can even view performance stats or copy the output, which we suggest because if you navigate away, the output will be gone. So we suggest to share it or copy it to a notepad to save it. In Prompt Lab, you can summarize text, rewrite in a new tone, and generate code or use a free form prompt. Just select a template, enter your text, and tap Generate. The app handles everything offline, keeping your data private. You can also compare different models, check real-time benchmarks, and even bring your own light RT models for testing, ideal for developers and AI enthusiasts. Meanwhile, on the national stage, President Trump has just signed a landmark executive order advancing AI education for American youth and adults alike.
A White House fact sheet said, AI is rapidly transforming the modern world, driving innovation, enhancing productivity, and reshaping how we live and work. America's youth needs opportunities to cultivate the skills and understanding necessary to use and create the next generation of AI technology. Early training in AI will demystify this technology and prepare America's students to be confident participants in the AI-assisted workforce, propelling our nation to new heights of scientific and economic achievement. Preparing our students to be leaders in AI technology also requires investing in our educators, providing them with the tools and knowledge to both train students about AI and utilize the technology in the classroom. Now, in terms of specifics, the executive order establishes a task force on AI education. Led by the Director of the Office of Science and Technology Policy, the committee includes the Secretaries for Agriculture, Labor, Energy, and Education alongside numerous White House advisors. The task force was instructed to establish a prize called the Presidential Artificial Intelligence Challenge, which will, quote, encourage and highlight student and educator achievements in AI, promote wide geographic adoption of technology advancement, and foster collaboration to address national challenges with AI solutions. Alongside, the task force is instructed to develop online resources for K-12 students in foundational AI literacy via public-private partnerships. The order also contemplates the use of various federal grants to advance the goal of AI education. Teacher training is addressed, with the Secretary of Education instructed to prioritize the use of AI in discretionary grant programs for teacher training, and the Department of Labor is instructed to direct funding towards AI apprenticeships and certification programs designed to provide high school students with workforce credentials for AI careers. As with most EOs, the details are left to government officials to execute. However, White House Staff Secretary Will Scharf gave the elevator pitch, stating, "The basic idea of this executive order is to ensure that we properly train the workforce of the future by ensuring that school children, young Americans, are adequately trained in AI tools." On signing the order, President Trump said, "This is a big deal. AI is where it seems to be at. We have trillions of dollars being invested in AI. AI is the way to the future. Very smart people are investing in it heavily." Now, part of the impetus for moving on AI education is likely pressure from China. Numerous provinces in China have introduced mandatory AI education at all grade levels, K through 12. No doubt the rest of China will quickly follow after the central government recently placed AI at the center of a comprehensive education overhaul. The Education Ministry said that promoting AI will help, quote, cultivate the basic abilities of teachers and students and shape the core competitiveness of innovative talents.
This order creates the White House Task Force on AI Education, launching a presidential AI challenge and establishing public-private partnerships to bring AI literacy and resources to K-12 schools across the country. The goal? Equip students and teachers with foundational AI skills and prepare America's workforce for the digital future. Expect new training programs for educators, expanded AI coursework, and more opportunities for high schoolers to earn AI certifications and participate in apprenticeships, ensuring no student is left behind in the AI revolution. So get ready to get certified. The AI Agent Innovation Academy now offers the AI Essential Certification Program, with many more AI-focused certification programs in the workings and will be launched soon. This AI Essential Certification Program accreditation is an online course that teaches you prompt engineering, generative AI, and how to build and manage custom AI solutions for business or personal use. With hands-on projects and real-world skills, you'll be prepared for high-paying AI jobs or to lead innovation in your own organization. Complete the program in just a few weeks. The AI Essentials course is only 5 weeks, but it is a self-paced course. So if you feel like going faster, you're free to do so. From Google's new AI Edge Gallery app to national AI education initiatives and world-class certification programs, there's never been a better time to learn, build, and innovate with AI. Download the new secret Google app today, explore the tools, and take the next step in your AI journey. Become certified in AI Essentials at AI Agent Innovation Academy. Thank you for watching Useful AI Hacks, AI News Industry Update. We'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.